Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, in today's video, I will teach you how you can write blog post or articles in some minutes or in some seconds. Uh, we In this video I will tell you about AI tool with help of you can write best amazing articles for your website, for your papers, etc. So this is a very good skill to work on. You can also sell this service on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms. We will discuss later. So first of all, we will go to tool. So we write here write Sonic. So writesonic.com. Click on this link. After that, start writing for free. No credit card required. Click on start writing for free. You have to sign up with Apple or you have to sign up with, uh, Google. So I click on sign up with Google. So I am pasting my email and I stop video for some seconds. So guys, uh, I give my email and as you can see, I am so I logged in and here are it provides a different templates and we can use these templates to write our article. So first of all, we click on new AI article writer 5.0, 5.4.0, train GPT, chat GPT on your data. Like it has different templates. So I click on this AI article writer 5.0. AI article writer V5. It is his some features. So topic. First of all, I would like to add a topic like best motivational books for kids. So as you can see, I select these three articles for reference and that's it. After that, next additional information, no keywords, motivation and kids motivation. So these keywords is targeted in this article. Brand, voice, tone, like standard. Quality, premier or this premium, superior. After that, English and generate article. So it is analyzing these articles which I provide as a reference articles and then he write content for us. So wait for some seconds. So as you can see, estimated premium. Okay, confirm. So article is generating and let's see. Oh wow, it also provides us images. That's great. And article is writing. Motivational books for kids. Igniting the spark of inspiration. Title is great. After that, image and motivating inspiration children. Introduction paragraph. The power of inspirational picture books. Also introduction. Then he recommended books like this book. He also tell age 2 to 6 years, age 5 to 10 years, 3, 4, 5, 6, and he is continuously writing. So as you can see, uh, it writes a very long article, and in my opinion it is better than ChatGPT, because ChatGPT has free ChatGPT has data of 2021, and it is the latest data. And you can see he provide me the late it provides me the latest data, and he write articles, and he's still writing. So when I click on I think that's enough for now, so I click on stop generating, and you can see uh, he creates a beautiful article. And if I continued, then he still keep on writing. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. This is a very good tool to work on, so please check it out, and I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.